Alright, so today I'm gonna be mounting the tank, the air tank upside down. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. I have a good idea. I've never done it, but I do have a good idea of what I'm gonna be doing to achieve this. So I'm gonna try to show you guys step by step so you can replicate it in your Civic. I'm gonna start by obviously emptying out the tank so that I can maneuver easy, and I'm gonna disconnect both lines from the compressor and to the manifold. Alright, so what I plan on doing is mounting it like this. I just gotta find where it's centered so that it matches. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna drill out, because I'm not using these bottom ones here, I'm gonna drill out the hole on here. I'm gonna make it kind of ovalish so I can slide back and forth, and same thing with this side bracket. Alright, so what I did, I centered the tank to where I wanted it, and I made marks where I gotta drill these out, over here and over there somewhere. Alright, so I got those drilled out to what I need. And what I'm gonna be using, because I'm gonna make these holes threaded where they're at. Right there. And I got these nutserts. So I just have to put them in and clamp them down so that they become threaded holes, so that I'll be able to mount the tank nice and easy. Alright, so I got both of the nutserts in. So now I'm just gonna mount the tank up there real quick. That took me much longer than I was expecting, but it's finally mounted. Now I'm just gonna use the bottom piece of wood that I had. I'm still gonna use that for the compressor for now, until I get my second compressor and figure out where I want to mount them. But I do like where the tank is looking right there. Alright, so this is what we got going for now. I got the compressor there, the manifold there, and then the tank obviously now on top. And I put the water trap there with the water line going out. I wanted to put the the manifold more over here, but I don't have enough airline to make that happen. But I'm gonna have to rerun probably all my lines, because these are cut to length when this setup was done. So it's like right there. And one compressor, that's the 444 that I'm gonna be changing to the 480 that I have in my house soon. But it's pretty straightforward. Nice and bolted up there on both sides. Have a lot of space, and when I get the airline, I can run the stuff closer, so it'll only take up like a little corner over there. It'll be nice. Alright, so I moved the air trap to behind the bracket, because when I put the seat up, it was hitting on the amp here, so I didn't even think of that earlier. But here it's flush, so there. Now it closes as it should. So there we go, the final look. I think it's much better than before. Now I just gotta fix the management and the compressors when I get them, and it'd be all set.